Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 with activated screen lock protection. Let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove all kinds of the screen lock, such as the fingerprint, pattern and other. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as Mi logo pops up on the screen. And the Mi recovery pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So in my case, let me scroll down to choose wipe data, press power key to confirm it, and now let's press power key to choose wipe all data. Scroll down again to choose confirm and press power key to select it. Right now the device is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. As you can see, data wiped successfully, so now let's press power key to back to main menu and simply choose reboot. Reboot to system, and the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait until the whole process will be completed, and do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the Mi welcome panel pops up, so it means that now you can start using your device and set up your Xiaomi. As you may also notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.